Yo, this is Kaya, stylishwithzappos.com, and today I'm here to talk about the Vox Trooper. The Trooper has a cool retro style with lots and lots of different combinations for the upper. This particular one has synthetic leather. It has reinforced high impact areas all around, so your shoe will last a really long time. We got extra padding on the tongue and collar with a breathable mesh lining. Check out the padded removable insole with perforations for extra airflow, and the IRS gel support in the heel. We got added durability with the vulcanized rubber midsole and added reinforcement in the toe. We got the Ultra Grip and Flex Tread pattern for the ultimate inboard control. And balance out your lacing options with white and black. Check it. So when you're ready to style it out at the skate park, check out the Vox Trooper. It's gonna take care of you.